Is my mic on? Yeah. Hey. All right, we're brining the turkey. I've got 20 minutes until we have to leave the house for the game. I did not know Butterball was including gravy. This is just a turkey breast, and it came with a packet of gravy, which is brilliant for folks who don't know or don't have time to make gravy. And the directions are super simple. It's just right there on the front. So I washed this really good for you guys with soap, so I'm not contaminating my kitchen. So we're just going to go ahead and throw that back into the fridge. We're going to need that until tomorrow. Clean up our mess. Bam. Then, let me show you. So we're going to go ahead and add some salt to the water. So this is brining a turkey. Now we're not smoking it tomorrow. You would do this if you're smoking your turkey also. But this is just to start on the flavor building of the bird. Yeah. And you can be like, that's a lot of salt. But it's going into the water. It's not all going to be in the bird. It's just flavoring. And then I'm going to do cracked pepper. No, I'm not. I'm going to do peppercorns. Do I have peppercorns? How come I don't have the peppercorns out? Uh-huh. Whole black peppercorns. Woohoo! Throw some of these in there. About that many. Okay. Nice. Okay. I have some. Hey, I didn't even know we got this. I could have just gotten this one and not gotten all of them because this is a poultry blend.
Oh.
It has everything in it already, and I didn't see that when we bought it, but that's okay. So we've got sage, rosemary, thyme, Italian parsley, chives, and Italian-inspired blend. Another blend. Rosemary, oregano, and thyme. Boy, I should start looking at labels. All right, we're not adding the chives, and we'll take that one out too. So we're gonna stick with some sage. I'm gonna show you guys what I do with this. So I'm just gonna take out some sage. You know what? We're gonna just use this whole bundle. We're gonna put these back, and then we'll use a little bit of parsley. A wee bit, like that much. All right, what I'm gonna do, you guys, I'm just gonna take my hands and I'm just gonna give these a little smash, just a little squish, a little crush with my hands to start releasing that flavor into the water, and it'll start to flavor the breast, the turkey breast. Okay. Can you smell that from over there? Oh, it smells good. It smells really good. Okay. So you can see where they're just kind of bruised and smushed a little, but not completely broke or chopped. Okay. I'm going to throw that. I'm just going to lay these right down into the cavity, the open cavity of the bird. And they're just going to just infuse into the water all night and start flavor building in that bird. Okay. And wash your hands. Did you see how fast that was? So I'm just going to add a little bit more water to the top of this, cover it with some saran wrap. We're going to put it in a bigger bowl out into the garage with some ice, keep it below 40 degrees overnight. Tomorrow it'll be ready to go in the oven. All right. 350, how many pounds was this? You don't know? Cameraman doesn't know how many pounds it was? We'll look at the package. It's 20 minutes per pound. 20 minutes per pound, internal temperature of 160. It'll continue to get a little bit warmer even after you pull it out of the oven. So you don't want to undercook poultry because you don't want botulism. All right. How many pounds? Times 20 minutes. Wash your hands with soap. You don't want to cross-contaminate your kitchen. All right, that's it for us. We've got a game to go to. Thanks for watching. I'm sorry, I'm going to gross myself and all of you out because I don't have any more knee gloves. So, hands in. Here we go. Ew. Gross. It's gonna taste so good though. So I am gonna cook this inside a baking bag. And then I'm going to flip it over and I'm gonna be rubbing it down with some butter. Do it, right? All right, that looks pretty good. What do you think? Looks good to you? All right. We'll just let that melt over and drip down. How's that sound? Sounds good? Okay, wash the paws. Flour, the directions also say you can use cornstarch or cornmeal, anything like that. I'm not exactly 100% sure why we're supposed to shake it around and get the internal. What happened?
Well, we're not watching the Apple player anymore, so do that now.
Can you hit mute?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're done. Diva's part. Oh yeah.
And you put what in right there?
Our two sides, the creamy, cheesy potatoes and the...
Green beans, that's what. Oh, that didn't work. Okay. Houston, we have a problem.
They don't make them like they used to. Okay, we'll go one down here.
Okay. You need to get some weight there when
Woo!
it bends the... They're crooked.
Why do these not fit in my...
Alright, so they're both wrapped in. Is that low enough? Woo! Barely.
That was a lot.
Joey's cooking.
Why did it bend in the middle like that? They should be stronger than that.
They should. They should be stronger than that.
Send that video to the manufacturer and be like, do better, it's Thanksgiving.
Right?
All right, how is the turkey?
Oh, wow. We need to always do turkey like this. It is so juicy.
Yeah?
Oh, you gotta love the bag. You gotta love the bag. We only did a
How's the flavor?
good, and it's almost buttery.
Ooh, well, because I had a ton of butter in there.
What's up? That was explain it. It's really really good.
Another bite?
Oh yeah. Not bad.
There's the aromatics. Oh,
All right.
here we go. And bite.
You want to try it?